ato na sa i-resolve itong components. So that we can determine kung sa ito yung force can create sa axial stress,
para
kung
makabasa
sa ito yung force can create sa bending stress. And torsional stress, if there's torsional stress, and shearing stress. So problem.
Ba ni Lloyd eh.
Hindi, hindi ginawa ko naman dapat. Stay. Kaya ginawa ko na. Kung ano ko yung liyan na raw.
State.
Magmuli na ito. Protik ka ba?
Klaro mo yan? Klaro ba? Yeah. Ilan eh? Ilan eh? When? Five. So kindly give me the component of the force. P. So pinapin niyo siya. This one is? This is? 40. So the vertical? 30 kilo. Right? Actually, this is good in some problem. Came out last 2004. Then, ipakita niya, so na will be the maximum shearing stress at point A when X is to 50 millimeters. First, we have to get the shearing stress at point A, the normal stress at point A. But for normal stress at point A, we need axial force, with the axial force, to induce axial stress, and bending moment at A to induce bending stress at A. Okay? So, unahan natin din si axial force. Axial force na ka, ito na yung axial force PA. So, with that resolve forces, kung saan na is possible na may axial force? 40. Yes, that is 40. So, 40 kilonewton on the axial force niya. How about for moment? 30. That is 30 times 0.25. Hindi lang kay 30 ra. Of course, para moment na ta. That is 7.5 kilonewton. How about for shear force? Pwede mong shear force. 30 or 30. That's posible po siya makalangkat ni weight. At least doon na kay Basyana sa imong stresses. So, let's start with normal. Normal stress at A. So, plus minus P over A. So, plus minus MC over I. So, how about for axial? Is it plus or minus? Plus. It's nice. So, that is 40. 40 by thousands over the area. Now, section. So, yung section is 120. Okay. And the point A na rin. That is 20. Yes, that is 20. Okay. So this one is 120 or 20 by 120. Ganon for bending. Bending stress. Natin malang na bending. And which can we use plus or minus? If that is on the tension side, bounce siya, tension side, plus. If that's compression side, so bounce minus. Dili umater ang direction ng movement, ha? Hindi ka stress ka, that is clockwise movement or counterclockwise movement, di umater siya sa bending stress. Umater siya, depending on the rotation or orientation sa yung point yung ginalize. Ha? Dili umater si movement direction. Plus, minus? Plus. Ang kabiran niya is 30. So, bawang niya, mana. Ang point A, ilan din yung side. So, sa plus. M. That is 7.5. Niya, si C. Si A man itong ginalize, so tanawa si A from the middle axis, the distance. That is A. Karon, BD over 12. This one, rectangular. May atong yung B. Isa naman atong B. Not all the time, ang B niya, B na ginas siya. Ano na lang? Para natin guide. Kung saan na cause the moment ng force. Ito rin lang. Parallel sa yung dimension. O ano B. Ito pa, si D is 120, si B is 120 cube over normal stress malanta. Of course, this one is a tensile stress. Ilan? 68 when? Pascal. How about for shearing stress? So shearing stress at A, kung saan nga shearing stress, may induced in point A. Is it vertical or horizontal or torsional? So wala tayong torsional, so there's no torsion. It could be horizontal or vertical. Parang gan so i-draw lang si section. Ma-appreciate na ito sa direction sa imong shear force. But this is 20, this is 120. Tanawa na sa section. Kung sa'yo force ma-carry sa section. See? 30. Ano lang? 30. Total ganit 30. Kaya natin si neutral axis. Si point A, nasa correct. Natin si point A. Kaya this is point B. Ibira niya, posible, malangkat, tinapita diyan. So, kanang nga area atong name plus sa barbed wire nila. Okay? So, we'll solve first for the Q. So, Q is area, barbed wire. So, area, what is the area? Pinapalili siya kanina. Because it's 120, 60 minus 20 is 40. So, that area is 20 by 40. Ang barbed wire, so 20 plus 1/2 of 40. Pila na siya? 80 by 40. So 32,000 mm. Sumbat na si shearing stress. That's for our shearing stress at A, BQ over IB. So ang B, kana siya. So 30. Q, 32. Si I, kung sa nga I, BDQ over 12 ka. Sa mga B o sa mga T, same process. Parallel niya, parallel division. Sa ito pa, si 20, BDQ, 120, Q over 12. O si B, o si B, ang nalangkat. Germany, no? Yeah. Ang nalangkat na B, 20. Okay, so we have now the shearing stress at A. Bila? Na? 16.67 mega. So ang ipakita niya is maximum shearing stress. You can use the formula. So siya. So you must summarize. Yung sigma 1 is 68.75. Sigma 2, 0. Shearing stress, 16.7. Megapascal, mega. So you can use the formula. So what is the shearing stress? Or use graphical. Okay, now makakarinig sir, ano mo malagyan ko si 40 cm? Ano naman? So we are not, this is not about the point A, but the plane. Pag-cut ka niya, the whole plane, kung ano yung consider niya, not an A. Kasi point A or that is a plane, as this element niya ng plane, then we only can determine the force na mag-create a movement about this plane. Diba kung
Horizontal ako shear.
bias, cut that one, and negate that one section is this one. So dili ingon matter nga about A ka, the whole plane niya. So wherein that plane, diya si point A, not directly to point A. For example, sir, napa si B diya, napa si A diya, meaning point A at point D are the same. We are analyzing as plane. So dili ka mo matter, dili mo matter kung sa point diya, movement ka diya, dili. So, si point A lang, ang allocation from that initial axis is point B. But dili mo direct movement about A. It is a plane. Okay? So, S max, na sigma 1, minus sigma 2, over 2, square, plus, sharing stress square. Take the square. The answer for this one, for letter A, max is 38 when? Megapascal. How about for letter B? Letter B, maximum normal stress. Maximum normal stress for max. Letter S, sigma 1 plus sigma 2 over 2 plus R. So your R, this one is the R. Ilang? So for letter B, it could be maximum tensile stress. It could be maximum principal stress. Third question. Third question is, what is the maximum compressive stress? What is the maximum compressive stress? Yes, that is using minimum. Dato ito, letter C, maximum compressive stress. So that is one, minimum na siya. So kung yung minimum rate is positive, meaning maximum compressive stress is 0. If this is negative, meaning there is compressive stress. So na siya. Sigma 1 plus sigma 2 over 2 minus. Or itong basis lang. Kung sundan na negative, meaning there is compressive stress. Or, para sure, ipong na sa ikla. Ikla. Sa circle.
Ano tayo?
So, the plot of a circle, ito na siya. So, ang pruma niya, ang plot of a circle, eh, mong siya, there is this one, another way, another way. Pag circle niya, there is portion of the compressive stress. Diba? Yan, stress rin, ito na siya, sharing stress, and this one is, zero si sharing stress to, matala yung sharing stress. Mana siya? Circle, ilog isa kayo.